heading out to Erinjesha Waterfall. First time going there. So let's see.